Floral Trip Nail Art Tutorial by Beetles. Now let's do unboxing and get ready with me. We would use these color gels in our tutorial. Start with clean nails after applying medium almond nail tips. First, please apply a thin layer of foundation base gel. Then, cure under a UV lamp for 30 seconds. We use this gel as the base color. Apply the base color evenly. Cure for 60 seconds. We need to apply the second layer and cure for another 60 seconds. Now take out the rhinestone glue. Apply a proper amount of rhinestone glue. Let's apply nail charms. Use the tweezer to pick up the flower nail charms and paste on thumb. We need the liner brush to fill the gap. Paste on middle finger and ring finger as well. Cure for 30 seconds. Take out the French tip nail stamp. Apply a layer of color gel polish on the nail stamp. Place your finger at 45 degrees and slightly press into the nail stamp. We need the liner brush to complete drawing the French tips. Use the dotting pen to create the effect. Apply this color gel on pinky as well. Then cure for 30 seconds. Top coat makes your nails more durable and glossy. For better color fixation, we need to cure this final layer for up to 60 seconds. Never forget to use cuticle oil after all. It gives a moisturized finish to your nails and also helps them more long-lasting. Well done! Now we are finished. Shop on Beetles Gel Polish Amazon store.